There are some big updates and some deadlines that we have to take a look at on some of our low cap gems that we've been covering over the last 3 months. Let's take a look. You like passive income and you like low cap gems that can possibly do 100x in a bull market, then you're going to love this channel. So make sure you subscribe to it and drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. All right, I'll start out by saying that I have links to the staking videos in the description of this video. They show exactly how to stake any of these three projects that I'm going to cover today. Today, I'm just going to go over some updates and some deadlines that you need to know about in the near future. To start, we're going to go to Twitter. Dione protocol, the last chance to stake. It says today, this is 1 hour ago. I'm going to get this video out as soon as possible. It'll probably be in about 2 hours. Today is the last day to stake Dione on ERC20. At 11 p.m. UTC, we will permanently close staking deposits. Here's the link to the staking site. Why? Earn rewards and have us migrate for you. So they're going to migrate the tokens over to the Dione mainnet when it comes out. Secure 1% monthly return and early withdrawal penalty shares. Forget migration hassles. We'll handle the smooth migration to the Odyssey network. I guess they're calling it Odyssey network is what's going to be on. I did a video on this a long time ago. If you got in then, you would have quite a few rewards, and we got in at a really good price point. It's still a pretty good price point now. But yeah, all the information that you'll need is in the description of the video to stake. And this is just on the, let's see, Dione. This is on Dione's Twitter page. Okay, the second thing I wanted to cover is the Realio rewards are live on the Binance Smart Chain. I made a video the other day. It was about a week ago, actually. It wasn't the other day, about a week, 8 days ago, showing how to transfer your tokens over to the Binance Smart Chain. The way I was doing this is because I was buying my RIO tokens on MEXC. Is I was transferring my RIO over to my Para wallet because that's where the rewards used to be. Those have finished now. They're not giving rewards out for holding in the Para wallet. So you have to hold your tokens either on MetaMask or on Realio.fund. So I haven't transferred all of mine, but I did receive my first couple rewards from Realio from keeping them on Binance Smart Chain. If you want step-by-step how to do that, I'll leave the link to the video in the description of this video. I just wanted to update that, yes, I am getting the rewards on the Binance Smart Chain now. I've gotten 2 so far. I've gotten 1 yesterday and 1 today. One other thing I saw for RIO related is the LMX. I've covered this on previous videos. It's the Liquid Mining Fund. They have a Twitter page. It's getting very close to when this token is going to be released. I'm really excited about this one. It's a fully tokenized special purpose vehicle that provides investors exposure to Bitcoin mining. When it gets closer to the time of the launch of this token, I'm definitely going to do a full video on it. I really am interested in this. This should be, if they do fourth quarter like they're saying they're going to, I think this could be a really profitable token to invest in, possibly, especially going into a bull market. If we do have a bull market, this could be a very lucrative investment if we do have a bull market. So I just wanted to give that update on that. Like I said, I'll update more in the future on when they launch the token or if there's a pre-sale or how they're going to do that. Okay, next is Change Finance. They always have something going on, some type of news. Today they just released, it says unleashing a cross-chain breakthrough, bridging ETH from over 25 chains to Koinos network is now one tap away in the Change Finance mobile app. Additionally, Coin is now available on the Polygon chain for you to benefit from cross-chain flexibility, bridging the future Wrapped Coin on Polygon, and Wrapped ETH on Coinos. They have some other news down here. Let's see. Yeah, scan, tap, and pay with the Change Finance mobile app, CASP. That's a CASPA token. QR transfers are a walk in the park. Forget wallet fumbling and copy pasting addresses, and elevate your CASPA currency experience. So you can scan and transfer CASPA tokens between Change wallets, which is a huge update. They're always doing something. Change is one of my favorite projects for this bull market. Just not a lot of people know about it, doesn't seem like, and the market cap is still tiny, super tiny. Another part of Change that I just keep preaching on, I just keep telling people, there's so many liquidity pools that you can get in that have great APRs to earn passive income, or just to accumulate Change tokens. We go to the liquidity pools, and look here, there's just so many. If you just want to do USDT, just straight stable coins, you can earn 17.25% in Change rewards. They have multiples. There's USDC, there's also BUSD and DAI. If you want to just do straight Bitcoin, you earn 17.25%. Where else can you earn that much APR on Bitcoin? I don't think there's anywhere. ETH is 11.5. One of the pools I'm in is the time frame change pool, which is 8.63%. So your straight Change token, and you're earning 8.63% in Change rewards. The ones that I'm currently in, I'm also in the Change USDT, which I believe is the highest APR of all of them. It's at 43.12% APR. That's an incredible APR in my opinion, 43.1%, and it's low and permanent loss because half of your liquidity pair is stablecoin. So let's look at the other ones. Some of the other ones, BNB is 11.5. Fusion token, which I think is very undervalued, is 11.5%. We go to page 2. Some of these are call options. We'll skip those unless you know what you're doing. BUSD Change is 43 as well. Change USDC is 43%. These are other call options. This is an interesting one. Bitcoin paired with stablecoin USDT, 28.7%. ETH as well, 28.7%. One of the ones I got in recently is because I mine Nexa currently. I mine Nexa on a mining rig that I made, that I have in my basement at my house. I have that paired with USDT, and I'm getting 21.58% APR. I think Nexa will do really well next bull market. If you haven't seen it, maybe I can make a video on it in the future. It does not have staking. It is a proof of work coin, so you have to mine it on a mining rig. I have a mining rig with the graphics card. But you can get, if you pair it with USDT, 21.58% APR. I have a video showing exactly how to add liquidity and how to deposit those LPs into the Change wallet to earn these rewards. I'll leave that in the description of this video. If there are any low cap gems that I'm missing that I haven't made a video on, please leave them in the comments. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.